First of all, today was not supposed to be this way. We kind of got off track, and that's because when Hannah was about 5 years old, she would put a little doily on her head, and she would run around the house and grab my hand and say, "Daddy, I'm going to marry you." So that didn't happen today. And Nathan, your second choice. That okay?
That's okay.
Okay,
I can't beat that.
Okay.
We are gathered here today in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining together of Hannah Fry and Nathan Lehman in holy matrimony. Who will give this woman to marry to this man?
Her mother and I.
Love you. Love you.
Nathan, today I'm committing to you. I'm choosing you and only you for the rest of my life. Our journey has not been a typical one, but I have loved it more than words can say. Every phone call, every mile traveled, every goodbye was so worth it because we are becoming a husband and wife today.
Seeing you standing here in front of me, I'm overcome with immense joy and awe. You look absolutely stunning. You do. As we begin our life together, I promise to provide you with a sense of security and safety. I will always hold you when you cry and hug you extra tight when you're feeling overwhelmed.
We had been close friends for so long, and then all of a sudden, there's this guy that wants to hang out with my best friend. And he was this lanky guy, and she was just like, her eyes were like, you know, the little hearts, the cartoon hearts, whenever she talked about him, and they still are.
Well, Hannah can be stubborn, if you know Hannah. She was being stubborn. Nathan stops the car. He gets out. He walks all the way around the car, comes back in, sits down, and Hannah goes, "What are you doing?" He goes, "Well, I keep hearing this whining noise. I can't find it."
And I laughed so hard. I laughed for like 20 minutes. I just could not stop laughing. That's hilarious. You are so funny.
And I'm so thankful that you guys worked hard to do this the right way and come together in God's eyes first before you came together in your own timing.
Today I vow to always love you fiercely, to treat you with respect and be your teammate. I will always be in your corner. I take you to be my husband as long as we both shall live. I love you.
I love you. Continue to be patient with me as we pursue this dream together. I can be stubborn and hard-headed at times, but you bring out the best in me. I want to walk with you hand in hand, serving the Lord the rest of our lives. Hannah Lisa-Beth Fry, will you make me the happiest husband in the world?
Nathan, you may kiss your bride.
But seriously, as they start down this journey as a Christ-centered couple, pursuing what God has for them, please have them in your prayers. You know the enemy's out there. Let's keep him at bay. So Hannah and Nathan, may the Lord bless you and keep you. May he cause his face to shine upon you and give you his peace. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.